How many of you had desires and wishes in your life, but those desires and wishes remain unfulfilled? And how many of you asked this question to yourself, why you could not achieve what you could have achieved? So today, I'm going to tell you a story and tell you what is that number one reason which does not let us do what we want to do in our life. And I will also discuss what can we do to make sure that whatever desires and wishes that we have in our life, we are able to fulfill them. So once upon a time, there was a king who asked his men to place a big boulder on the pathway, on a road which was going towards the king's palace. And he decided to hid behind the bushes to watch who will remove that boulder from that road. Now, he happened to see that there were a lot of wealthiest merchants, there were lots of king's courtiers who passed by and went around that boulder, but no one tried to remove that boulder from the road. And as opposed to removing the boulder from the road, they blamed the king for not keeping the road clean and tidy. They blamed the king for not doing the things that he was supposed to do. And king was watching all of this. And eventually a farmer, a vegetable vendor, was passing by that road. And upon approaching that boulder, he decided to push that boulder out of the road. He laid down his weight and he tried to push that, he tried to put all the efforts, removing that boulder from the road, and he eventually managed to remove that boulder. And as he moved on to pick his vegetable, to his notice, he realized that there was a purse which was lying exactly where the boulder was kept. And when he opened that purse, he found that there were gold coins and there was a note from the king. His eyes were glittered looking at the gold coins because he never saw them in his life. The farmer felt excited. And as he read the note from the king, it was written that this gold is for the person who will remove the boulder from the road. Now there's a message here. How many of you believe that laziness will not get you anywhere? That gold could have been achieved and acquired by anyone who could remove that boulder from the road. Anyone could have become rich just by removing that stone and boulder from that road. How many of you have faced the situation in your life that you had many boulders, many roadblocks in the way to success that you could remove, but you could not remove just because you didn't want to, just because you choose inaction over action, just because you chose procrastination over action? So if it is the case, decide today. I encourage all of you to decide today that choose action over inaction, choose action over procrastination. Take a decision that you are going to remove all the hurdles, all the roadblocks which comes in the way of your success, which comes in the way of your journey to become fearless, to become successful, to become confident. So I hope you have loved this video. I hope you got the message through the story. In case if you have any feedback or any questions, you may want to drop them in the comment section. I would love to answer them. And I would also request you eventually to share my message with all of your friends and families and to people whom you really care and love, because I want that the messages should land to many people and benefit them. So this is your friend Tauseef Hassan signing off until we meet again.